One is that it is a career. You know, some people join the department thinking it's just a job, but like myself, here I am 28 plus years later, and it's been a great career. It's not something where you just come in and you're going to do the same thing day in and day out, like if you were going to an office. There's so many opportunities to, you know, become a detective, be a forensics person, get into some of the specialized units like K9 or tactical. I mean, women can do these things. You know, they need to know that they, as well as men, can do these things. Get into the mental health areas that we have, the mobile crisis team. These are areas where women generally excel, and there's opportunities for women to do this. Every time you get promoted on this job, you get sent to a new assignment, so it's almost like you're starting a new job all over again. It rejuvenates you. It you know, it makes people stay on the job, as we call it, longer, because you're starting over, and it's exciting. You know, what's my next challenge? People like that. You're not starting a career or a job that you're just going to be doing the same thing for 20, 30 years. You have the control, basically, especially in a large department like ours, to you know, do so many things. So, and for women, it's the same opportunities as men.